Hi guys, this is Ryan with Armin Driving School. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to adjust your steering wheel. A lot of beginners don't see the lever under the steering wheel to adjust the steering wheel. The first thing you want to do is flick it down. Now you can adjust it freely. You can adjust it forward and backwards, up and down. You want to adjust it forward and backwards based on 25 centimeters from your rib cage. Now, when it's at a comfortable position where it's at least 25 centimeters, you want to make sure there's a slight bend in your elbow so that it's comfortable and you're not pushing forward the whole time as you drive. The next thing you want to do is adjust it up and down based on where you can see the speedometer the best. That's an important part of this. Now, for me, this is comfortable, so what I'm going to do now is come down here, hold the steering wheel with one hand, and flick this up so that you can lock it in place. Now I'm ready to drive safely and the steering wheel is fine. Thank you for watching this video with Armin Driving School, and I'll see you guys in the next one.